first look at the Alpina. It's a 4 Series, but I'm not sure. It's Alpina B4S. Alright, so let's start from the back. So it's a BMW. For those of you who don't know, Alpina is something like a Brabus for Mercedes, just for the BMWs. So as you can see, a Krapovic exhaust. Beautiful. Alpina is known for making these high spokes, amazing wheels, and these lines, these signature lines that follow the car all around with Alpina written right here. I love the wheels. I love the blue calipers that go with the color of the car, with the logo. The lines actually are even here. You can see there's a little bit of a line actually sticking out a little bit, but it does have a different bumper, a sportier bumper, and yeah, I mean, it's looking pretty good. I love the wheels though. The interior is another level. A white leather all around. As you can see, Alpina wood. The interior is completely wild. I love it. Black leather dashboard, Alpina wood with gold Alpina logo right here, and it looks insane. There are Alpina badges on the headrests, front and back as well. And of course, if we go to the driver's side, there's the Alpina logo on the steering wheel, and amazing look all around the car here. And then of course, Alpina floor mats.
Oh, I know, just pure white.
But to be honest, looks amazing.